In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook URL using an iPhone, a quick and easy process that will only take a few minutes of your time. This can be particularly useful if you need to share your profile with friends, family, or colleagues, or even if you're setting up links to your social media accounts on other platforms. Let's get started by breaking down each step to ensure you can easily follow along. First, you'll want to open the Facebook app on your iPhone. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your details and sign in. Once you're logged in, you're going to need to navigate to your profile. You can do this by simply tapping on your name or your profile picture, which is usually located at the top of the app interface. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now, when you're using the Facebook website on a browser, this part is quite straightforward. Once you're on your profile page, take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser. The web address you see there is actually your Facebook URL. You can go ahead and copy it directly from the address bar if you're on the website. But if you're using the Facebook app, there's a slightly different method you'll need to follow. On your profile page within the app, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, which you'll find next to the Edit Profile button. Tap on these three dots, and from the menu that appears, you'll see an option that reads Copy Link. What this does is it copies the direct URL to your clipboard, essentially capturing the link that directly leads back to your Facebook profile. The final step is to paste this link wherever you need to use it. You can choose to paste it into a message, an email, or wherever you're intending to share your profile. Just tap and hold the text field where you want to paste the link until the paste option comes up, then simply tap paste and there you have it, your Facebook URL. Knowing how to quickly access and share your Facebook URL can come in handy in a variety of situations, whether you're networking, promoting your brand, or simply connecting with new friends online. By following these steps on your iPhone, you can effortlessly manage and share your profile URL anytime it's needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide simple and effective. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips just like this.